A very good morning to all my students. Last time we had studied about the chemical change, physical change and chemical reaction. Today we are going to study about the chemical equation. Recall our previous chemical reaction. When a magnesium ribbon is burned in oxygen, it gets converted to magnesium oxide. Don't you find that if each and every chemical reaction is written in the form of sentences, it will create a quite confusion for us. For that reason, scientist has given us chemical equation. Now there are two kinds of chemical equation. One, you can mention it by utilizing the word, and secondly, by using the symbols and the formulae. Let us see how the equation can be mentioned by utilizing the words. Now word equation for the above reaction, for this reaction we are talking about, would be magnesium plus oxygen gives us magnesium oxide. From this equation, you are going to study the two new terms, that is reactants and the product. What do you mean by the reactants? The substances which take part in chemical reaction. Yes, what are the reactants in this equation? Magnesium and oxygens are the reactants. What do you mean by the product? New substance formed after chemical reaction. What is the product here? Magnesium oxide is the product in this equation. Now this word equation, what does it shows? It shows change of reactants to product through an arrow placed between them. Can you see the arrow which is placed between them? Between reactants and product, here the arrow is mentioned. Now it is also giving us some more information, just as that the reactants are written on the left hand side with a plus sign between them. See, this is the left hand side, whereas the products are always mentioned on the right hand side with a plus sign between them. Here the condition is applied. If the products are more than one, then and only then we'll put the plus sign. Apart from that, plus sign is of no great value. Okay, here the arrowhead points towards the products and shows the direction of the reaction. Can you see the arrowhead here? This is the arrowhead. It is all pointing towards the product. Hence, the direction of the chemical reaction is from reactants to the products. Now, let us start another topic, that is writing a chemical equation. Now, chemical equation can be more precise and useful if we use a chemical formulae instead of words. Now, from this, we will define the chemical equation. What is the proper definition of chemical equation? See here. Representation of chemical reaction using symbols and formulae of the substances is called chemical equation. Now, let us recall the formulae of magnesium, oxygen and magnesium oxide. The above word equation can be written as follows. See, Mg for magnesium, O2 for oxygen, MgO for magnesium oxide. Now, count and compare the number of atoms of each element on the left hand side and right hand side of the arrow. Let us count here. Number of atoms, left hand side, right hand side. First, let us count magnesium. Magnesium on left hand side is 1. Can you see here? Only it is 1. Whereas oxygen on left hand side is 2. Can you see the 2? Whereas on right hand side, magnesium is 1. See here, it is 1. Can you see? Whereas on right hand side, the number of atoms of oxygen is also 1. Now, see here the difference between the left hand side and right hand side. On left hand side, the number of atoms of oxygen is 2, whereas on right hand side it is only 1. Hence, here the equation is not balanced, right? So another question is arising in our mind, why the equation is unbalanced? Equation is unbalanced because mass is not same on both the sides of the equation. Yes, this is the condition which is required. Here, the masses on the left hand side as well as the masses on the right hand side should be equal. If they are not equal, then the chemical reaction is unbalanced. Now, such kind of chemical reaction which is unbalanced is said to be skeletal chemical equation. It is said to be what? Skeletal chemical equation. Now what kind of chemical equation is said to be the skeletal chemical equation? The chemical equation which is not balanced is said to be what? Skeletal chemical equation for that respective reaction. Here we are stopping here. Again, let us revise what we have revised today. The chemical equation, that is our another topic. Now the chemical equation can be written in the two ways. First, by utilizing the words, and secondly by utilizing the formulas and the symbols. How we can write the chemical equation in the form of the word. See here. The magnesium plus oxygen gives us the magnesium oxide. From this equation we have studied about reactants and the products. What do you mean by the reactants? Substances which take part in chemical reaction. What do you mean by the product? New substance formed after the chemical reaction. Now what does the word equation shows? It shows change of reactants to the product through an arrow placed between them. See, this is the arrow which is placed between them. Now, reactants are always written on left hand side, whereas the product is written on the right hand side. Between reactants and the product, an arrow is mentioned. This arrowhead is always pointing towards the product, and it also shows the direction of the chemical reaction. Now, what is the direction here? The direction is from reactants to the product. Now, how can we write the chemical equation? Now, the chemical equation can be more precise and useful if you use the chemical formulae instead of the word. See the proper definition. Representation of chemical reaction using symbols, formulae of the substances is called the chemical equation. Now, the chemical equation for that word equation can be written as follows. Magnesium plus oxygen gives us magnesium oxide. See here, the number of the atoms on the left hand side and number of the atoms on the right hand side are not equal. Hence, the chemical equation is said to be unbalanced. Now, why this chemical equation is said to be the unbalanced? Because the masses on the right hand side should be equal to the masses on the left hand side. Now, such kind of chemical equation is said to be what kind of chemical equation? Skeletal chemical equation for reaction. Hence, we are stopping here. In our next session, we'll be studying about the balancing of the chemical equation. Thank you.